Okay, good morning, everyone. Guys, can you hearing me, please?
Yes, sir. Now we can hear you. This is Prasad.
Okay, thank you. See, in our last session, what we completed, slowly we started types of variables. The next one is what slowly we started and data types, right? Tell me, sir, what is variable?
Yes,
What is variable? What is a variable?
Variable is a data type where we store the values.
Good. And types of variables?
Three types
local,
of variable: local, global, non-local.
Okay. What is local variable?
The variable declared
declares within the function,
Okay. What is non-local variable?
declare within the nested function,
listed function.
So what is global variable and its scope?
declares outside the function,
Mm. And where we can access.
entire program,
What is the scope of local variable?
Only
within the
inside.
function,
Okay. What are data types in Python? How many types we have?
For
int, float,
int, float,
boolean, string,
and string, complex.
complex.
So basically we have two types of data types. First one is fundamental and second one is what? Collection, right? Why
Yes,
fundamental? Why fundamental? Store single value. In that case, we can go with int, float, complex, boolean, and string, right?
yes,
In collection type, we have a list, set, dictionaries, tuples, range. Here, tell me, sir, what is the difference between fundamental and collection type?
fundamental can store a single value and a collection can store number of values.
Multiple values we can store.
Very good. So please read, okay, before coming to the session. This is required to, then only you can easily understand. So today I'm going to starting one more new topic. Sir, already I told you basic Python function. So in that first function is what's sir? Print function, right? And this function print the output in console. The next function is what? Type function. So simply to knows the data type of given variable value. The next function is what? Length. Okay, to find out the length of given string. And today I am going to focusing on very important, my friends. Okay, input function, which this is very important, very special, my friends. So guys, why input function and what is the purpose of input function, we'll see. Okay, it's related input function also. So observe one thing simply, guys. Here I am going with our Python IDE. Observe carefully here what's going on. ఇది ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది కానీ హైడ్లో ఉంటుంది. Observe my friend, suppose here I given just n1 value, sir. N1 is equal to 20 value I given, right? So Sudhir, tell me one thing, what is the n1 value here? Sudhir or Prasad, please, anyone, sir. What is the n1 value I given? 20, right? Simply I am going to printing the here n1 value. What will be printed? 20 is
20.
printed, am I right?
Yes,
Suppose again I am going to print n1 value. Again, what will be printed, sir? 20
20.
only, right?
Yes.
So
Yes,
Similarly, I'll show one more application. Suppose here I am going with a new file, sir. Understand? And here I am going to writing addition of two number program. So what I am doing, n1 is equal to 90 and n2 is equal to something 80. And here I given the add variable like n1 plus n2 I am going to giving. Finally, I am going to printing my output, sir. Like add I printed. Just understand. This is what addition of two number program I completed. Right? So what I am doing, sir? Okay, after writing this code, simply save this file. Save this file in where we can save in desktop. Already I created one folder. The folder name is what? Python application. Okay, and my file name is what? Add.py I given my friends. Just I saved here. So again I'm asking, sir, what is the n1 value here?
90,
What is the n2 value?
80,
Right. So if I run this code, sir, what is your output?
170, 170.
170 scale. So first time I run this code, sir. So similarly, if you run the same code second time, again, what is your output? Sir, what is your output, sir?
170 only.
170.
170.
Okay. Again, I am running my output code. Again, what is your output, sir?
170 only.
Here my question is what, sir? In real world, as a developer, as a user, sir, he's going to fixing the value in variable. As a developer, as a user, okay, no one can fix the value in n1 is 90 and n2 is 80. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes,
So as a user, as a developer, he want to give the different inputs and different output also, right?
Yes.
yes,
So in order to do that do that operation, and we need to read the value from the keyboard, sir. So how to read the keyboards? Now coming to the point to read the value from keyboard, here we are going to using the one function. What is the function, sir? Input function. Very, very important. Here you can write what, sir? Enter n1 value. Are you understand? So enter n1 value. Similarly, okay, coming to the point, sir, and here I am taking one more value, enter into value. So if you use a input function and input function takes values at runtime, my friends, so that as a user and as a developer we can write different input values and we can read different output values, sir. Understand my points? So in reality, no one can fix the value within the variable. So as a user, definitely we can provide different input values so that we can get the different kind of outputs. Sir, please, are you following me? Everyone need a response.
yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Then what I am doing, sir? Suppose if I run this code, definitely it will ask the input, sir. Just I am running this code. This time, look, sir. Enter n1 value. Here, this time N1 is 20 value I given. Okay, 20 value I given. The N2 is what? 50 value I given, sir. Sir, imagine and tell me what is your output?
70.
Sudhir and Murali also.
70,
What is your output?
70.
Sir, 70 is not come. Simply these two values are concatenated. So 2050 will be my print, sir. Simply, it can print 2050. Sir, what is the reason here? Coming to the point, sir, input function always takes the string value only. Here, input function. What is the use of input function? Suppose if you want to read value at runtime to the program, here we are going to using the input function. But by default, input function takes a string values only. So here two numbers are concatenated, not performing any addition operation. Sir, I want to print, what we call, sir, 20 plus 50 at that time. Python programming language given some type conversion methods, sir. Type conversion method. The methods are int, float, complex, boolean, okay, list. Like this, they given the some type conversion methods. So by using int method, we are going to string input converting into pure integer values. Clear my point? We'll see that
Yes.
one by one. Sir, how to do? Just if you want to print 70 here, again coming back to my code, sir. Here what happened? Sir, understand. By default, this input function takes string input only. That means, even you given 20 values, sir, but it can taking like a between the double quotes. It can treat as a string value. It is a string integer number, sir. Now this string integer number I want to convert is a pure integer number. In that case, we are going to using one function here. The function name is what? Int function, sir. Int function. And okay, this int function what will do? Coming to the point. So input enter in one value. So as a user, once you read the 20 value, this input function can take like a string integer value. And this integer value, I want to convert into pure integer number. That's why they given the one type conversion method is called int, sir. And this int function takes responsibility, convert integer into, okay, sorry, string integer value into pure integer number. Similarly, here also you can use one more function is what? Int. This is called type conversion. We are converting, okay, string type to any other data type. Now you can save your application and run your application, sir. Now you will get your expected output. So just I given the 40 value and 90 value. Now what happens, sir? 130 is printed. Are you understand my point? Please need a response.
Yes.
Yes.
Guys, this is very, very important. Please understand here. Okay, sir, I am coming input function in Python. Simple. The input function is used to take input from the user as a string only. So by default, it can take a string value only, sir. If you want to convert any other types, so we need to use the type conversion methods. Type conversion methods, sir. So just here I given one example. Please understand. Please understand. Okay. Even you can use, other values also. It can treat as a string only. Treat as a string only. So in order to convert string to any other types, string to any other types, then we are going to using the type conversion methods. So guys, are you understood, please? Sir, are you understand this point? Please need a response,
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
please. So by default, input function takes which value, sir? Tell me, string values only. Then if you want to convert string to other types, then we are going to using the type conversion methods. Type conversion method. Sir, tomorrow onwards, okay, well, while developing our application, most of the inputs we are going to be giving with these methods only, type conversion methods. Sir, how to convert? So simply here I am giving small diagram, you will get more clarity, sir. So here I am giving. So what is the function name? Input function. Input function. Sir, this function by default takes from the user string value only. It can take which value, sir? String value. And the string type, we are going to converting it to other type. So I want to convert like an integer value. Integer value. And next, float value. Okay, float value. Similarly, Boolean value, sir. Boolean value. Similarly, I want to convert a complex value. Okay, complex value. Similarly, you want to convert, list values. So we convert also. Okay, like this, I want to convert string to other input, other data types. So if you want to convert string to integer, they given one function is called int functions. And it is a type conversion function. Int can take responsibility, convert string integer value into pure integer number. The similarly, if you want suppose as a input you given the decimal value, but input function treat even decimal number is nothing but a string. But that string input, string decimal number want to convert to pure decimal, and here we can use one function is what, sir? Float. Float is a type conversion method. Sir, are you following me, everyone? Need a response? Guys, are you there? Need a response?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay, here one more function, sir, bool function. It can convert a string boolean value into pure boolean number. And similarly, okay, and string complex value into pure complex value. What is the function name? Complex is a function. This function take responsibility converting string complex value into pure complex number. And similarly, and list also like set, okay, like set tuple also we can convert. So here what is the function, sir? Simply the function name is what? List function. And this will convert a string list value into pure list. These are the type conversion methods, sir. And don't be confused, sir. Again, I am repeating here. Okay, this is what diagrammatically I given. Suppose, my friends. Okay, the meaning is what? Suppose n1 is equal to int of, look my friends, okay, input of, here I am writing, n1, enter n1 value, enter n1 value, like this I given. So once you write this statement, actually your input function, this function from the user. So suppose here you are giving 120 values, sir. So by default, it can take like a within the single quote or within the double quote. Why, sir? In Python, string can declare within the double quote and within the single quote. So now even you are giving the number, my friends, but input function it can treat as a string. And this string integer value we need to convert into pure number like a 120. In that case, we are going to using the int function. So int function what will do? String integer value can convert into the pure integer number. Thus similarly, suppose, sir, I want to convert into floating point value, sir. Suppose here I given, my friends, rate. I'm talking about the price. Okay, enter your rate value. Rate value. So actually, what is my rate, sir? Suppose I given 120.99, like this I given. This time, so as an input, I given the decimal number. But input function by default treat it is a string decimal number. And this string decimal number I want to convert is a pure decimal number, sir. In that case, here you can use what function, sir? Float you can use. A float is nothing but a type conversion method. It can convert, okay, string decimal value into pure decimal number. Similarly, suppose b is equal to, okay, bool, and input of, okay, enter, okay, b value, sir. Means by default from input you can take it like this. Okay, it can take true. I am giving the true. So even you can the true value, it can treat as a what? Like a string. Like a string. And this string boolean value we need to convert like a pure boolean. In that case, we are going to using the bool function, sir. Are you understand my point? Please need your response, everyone.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Guys, please, are you understand this part?
yes, yes.
These are the
Mm,
type
The
conversions
Boolean,
methods.
the Boolean one little doubt, sir.
Okay, I'm coming practically. So first you can, are you understand the what will do int, float, bool, complex and list,
Yes.
right? So here I'm giving, sir, what is type conversion? Simple, sir. Okay, simple. Okay, type conversion is what? Okay, to convert, okay, all string inputs, okay, string inputs into any other, okay, any other data types. Data types. So actually, data types in Python, sir. Okay, what is type conversion? So convert one type to the one data type to one data type to any other data type. Any other data type. or types is called, okay, type conversion, sir. Type conversion. Type conversions. So type conversion. In that the first method is nothing but a int function. So, are you understand? Tell me. Why int? Tell me. Why int function? Tell me, sir. Convert
Integer to
string
string to
integer values into pure integer number, right?
yes.
Sir, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
simple here I given the example, sir. Coming one by one, sir. Coming one by one, please understand. Suppose, n1 is equal to, okay, without using int, I am going to using, directly I am going to going with, input. So already, sir, okay, enter, okay, n1 value, means number value, okay, number value, like this I given, sir. What happened? Definitely it will ask the value. So 45 I given, sir. But observe my friends, sir, I want to know N1 type, sir. N1 type. So if you ask the N1 type, definitely it will give back a string only. So just I'm going to applying the type command here, type N1. Now tell me, sir, what is the data type of N1, sir? Tell me.
String.
But I given 45, right? Is 45 is the string type or number type, my friends?
It is a number
But by default, input
Integer.
function taking what?
string.
String. Are you understand? That is the problem, sir. I want to convert it. I want to read the pure number. Then this time n2 is equal to, I am going to using one function. What is the function? Int of, okay, input of, tell me, sir. Input of, okay, enter, okay, into value. Understand? N2 value. So this time I given the value. Suppose 60 value I given, sir. And this time just you can know N2 data type, sir. Then N type of N2. Tell me, sir. This time what will be print? Is it
Six,
string type or integer type, sir?
type into
Integer.
string only. Right now, it will print integer
Why? Already we converted. Am I
into.
right?
Hmm.
Like this, you can do. I hope you understand. Yes or no? So tomorrow, when you are going to reading the value from input, integer value, compulsory you guys are going to writing these statements. Am I right? Are yes or no, guys? Need your response, please.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Please, very, very important for me. And for you also, remember in your brain. So this is what our, okay, first type conversion methods. The next one, second type is our float function. What is the function? Float. Now tell me, sir, why float? Sir, definition in front of
Decimal.
convert. Tell me, sir, convert floating point values into pure, pure.
Pure
Okay.
integer.
Not integer, sir, decimal number.
Decimal. Yeah.
I'm talking about no, decimal number now. Floating point is nothing but decimal number, right?
Yes.
String decimal number,
Yeah.
string decimal number converting into string decimal number converting into pure decimal number.
Decimal
Am I
number.
right? Are yes or no?
Yes.
Please need your
Yes.
response, my friends. Right.
Yes.
Shall we go with one example? Here I am going to showing, sir. Sir, how to write? Suppose, salary is equal to, sir, without using float, I am going to using. What happened? You can see. Directly you can write input. By default, input take what?
String.
Salary. Okay, value. Like this I given, sir. Here I given salary. So 90,000 point 75 paisa I given, sir. Once you hit this one, and you know the type of salary. Type of salary. Now tell me, sir. Oh, I think I did spell mistake, right? Okay. Type of salary, right? Now, what type, my friends?
String.
Array, it's
No,
showing what type, my friends?
no. String, it is going to print the string input always.
Right. Sir, I want to take pure salary number. What I will do?
Float
Float.
of.
Yes or no? Simply,
Yeah.
I given the, here I given the salary. It will ask you, this time 45,000. Like this, I given my friends. And now you can know the type of salary. Then what will be printed? Tell me.
So this is the only option, or is there any alternative way to write this?
There is no alternate. Okay, this is
Okay,
only
okay,
the option.
okay.
They given only one function, that is what input. Okay, if you want to read other data types, compulsory we need to use these functions. These are all are the function by default they given. These are the type conversion methods.
Yeah, okay. I'm saying just float of input of enter the salary value you have written, right? So that part I'm asking, like,
Right.
we are
This is
using,
this is our
yeah.
user defined,
No,
understanding
before that,
purpose.
float. Adding a float, it will convert into the data type you're saying, right? So I'm just wondering, I mean, is this the only way that we have to write, or is there any alternative way to convert
No, no,
string
only
into
this
float?
way. Only
Okay,
this way. There
okay,
is no alternate way.
got it. Yeah, yeah.
Only this way. Okay. There is no other alternate ways. That's why strongly recommended. Okay.
Mm, mm.
Name error. Just
Yeah, why? Because on the day one class, I remember that we don't have to use int integer or the float. Output will be, it is easy to write everything you mentioned, right? Now it seems like we are adding integer in front and a little bit change. Yeah.
understand. So while you declaring declaration of variable at that time not required to use int float, right?
Yes, yes.
Here this int is a function. They are not
Okay.
treating. So observe one thing, my friends. Suppose okay, suppose you are going to writing like int, sir. It is a keyword, right?
Yeah.
What they are int parenthesis. If you see like this, it is nothing but a function.
Okay.
Float. Understand? It is a function, right?
Hmm.
You see, okay, int with parenthesis, it is a function. And what function now? It is a type conversion function now. Understand? Type
Yeah. Yeah.
conversion, converting what string type to integer, converting string type to float values. These are the
Okay.
functions. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, yes, sir.
Please. And similarly, so I am going with another function, so third one. Okay. What is the third one? Tell me. Bull. Yes or
Again,
no? What will do? Tell me, simple definition. Make it fast.
convert Boolean, sorry, convert string
String
point value to Boolean.
String Boolean
value to.
values into pure
Boolean.
Boolean. Right? Pure Boolean numbers. Right? So let us see small example. So, right. Here I am coming. Here I am coming. Everything I am going to showing you with proof, please understand. So B is equal to, by default, I am going to giving this input. Okay, input. So here, even you are not giving your string, no problem, sir. It can accept it, right? So here, I am not giving anything, sir. Enter it. It can ask, it can ask directly value. But I given readable there. Okay, here I given, true value. Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now we can
Yes.
know type of B. Type of B. What happens, sir? Class is string, right? Similarly, B is equal. Now I am giving the, bull is a function and write the input. Now I am giving readability. Array enter. Okay, bull value. This is the right declaration, right? It will readability for you. Now, array, what you are reading? It is telling enter bull value. My bull value is nothing but a true. or false also you can. And this time we can know the B type. Definitely it is a Boolean object. Yes or no? Guys, clear my point?
Yes.
Yeah.
Like this, we can convert one type to the another type. So my Boolean also is completed. Please. The next one, fourth type is what's a complex. So when you use, mathematical operation, especially when you are working with group theory, at that time you can go with complex values. Okay. Then tell me what is the definition? Convert, convert, convert. Tell me, sir. String
Complex
complex
values
value,
into
Complex
pure.
values into
values
pure
into
complex.
pure complex number. Complex numbers. Numbers, sir. Simple. These are the function. Let us see the example. Let us see the example. The next one here, suppose COM is equal to, just I give an input. Okay, just single quote also you can use. Enter. Okay, complex value. Just I given, sir. It is asking. So 10 plus something 7j is a complex number, sir. And if you want to know the type of COM variable, definitely it will give it as a string. Sir, I want to insert pure complex number value. Then what happens, sir? Simply before this input, just you can use the, what is the function name, sir? Complex. And this function can take responsibility converting string complex value into, okay, our pure complex number 2ji given. Now we can type, okay, COM string value. Then I'm going to printing that value also COM. It is what complex number. Are you understand? Sir, are you clear my point? Hello, are you
Yes.
there,
Yes.
guys?
Yes, yes, sir.
Huh. Okay, this is what complex number. And sir, I'll give one more example for complex. Suppose B2 is equal to, I'm going with, input, understand. Okay, enter, okay, B2 value. Imagine just, okay, is it string or not? I am going to showing you, sir. Suppose 50 plus 40 ji given. And after that, just I am going to printing B2 value, sir. Look, sir. Okay, this is what 50 plus 40 is going to printing. Am I right? But
Yes.
it is not a pure complex number. So observe here, after conversion, complex output will become between the parentheses. Am I right? But here it is without parentheses, it can be printed. Means internally it is nothing but a string value, sir. Clear my point?
Yes, sir.
Guys,
Yes.
clear,
Yes.
please. So observe this changes. Okay, and these are the conversion methods, type conversion method into our Python programming language. Please remember these things tomorrow. So while we are going to reading value from the keyboard, compulsory we are going to using int, float, complex, boolean methods, sir. These are the conversion method. Sir, how to read the name? Sir, by default name is nothing but a string. Am I right? So
Yes.
string is not required to conversion. So directly you can use it. Input value, sir. So for and I'm giving one example, sir. In what situation we can use? Example, application, application for, okay, application for, okay, to store my details. My details, sir. So when I'm talking my details, understand? So I have a one roll number. Am I right? I have a my name, right? Okay, then I'm going with course name, sir. Course name. Just I'm going to tell you my course details. My course, okay, course details I am going to printing. Then next, I am going to printing fee. Right? Guys, these are the details I want to print one by one by using Python programming language. And these values I am going to reading from, okay, keyboard, my friends. All right? So just these are four values I am going to reading from the keyboard. So how we can write the code, please understand. See, I'm going with this application. Here I'm taking one more file, sir. Okay, guys, understand. So this is what is the first number? Tell me. Roll number. Roll number is what type of data? Tell me. First, fix your brain. Guys, roll number is what type of data?
Integer.
Integer.
So, int of, tell me. Tell me. Now you can put int of,
Input.
input of, tell me.
Enter the value.
Enter which value? Roll
Roll
number
number.
value. Roll number value, guys. Right. Next, I am going to reading the name. Tell me. Name is what type of value?
String.
Is it required to conversion, sir?
No.
Enter name. Enter
Name.
your name, sir. Enter your name. Enter your name. The next one, I'm talking about the course name, right? Course name. Then course name also what type of data?
String.
Right. Enter your course name. Enter your course. And now I am giving the fee. Fee is what type of data?
Float.
I am talking about the amount, sir. Yesterday I told you, when you talk about price, always you can go with decimal number, right?
Yes.
Input, tell me how to write. Input,
Enter fee amount.
enter your fee. Like this you can use. So after given, just I am going to printing, sir. Print what we call roll number. Okay, roll number. I am going to printing. Again, print. I am going to printing, my. So name is equal to just given the name. So different format I am going to printing. Okay, print. Okay, first without my string I printed. Okay, string with name also we printed. The next one. Okay, and now I am going to printing course name also. Course name. Okay, plus I given the tab space. Okay, again given the place. And just I am going to printing the fee also. So like this I am going to printing. Just okay, save this application. My data.py. Just save it. Sir, asking values, enter your roll number. Yes or no? I given triple one, sir. Enter your name. Okay, I given Saira. Okay, enter your course name. I given the Python. Right? I given the okay fee 4,500 like this I give. So is it printing or not, sir? Guys, printing or not? Need your response, sir. Okay. Okay, but fee value is not last, what course name is not printed. I think format is mistake. So what I will do, just, okay, I'm giving here. Side by side, I'm printing, sir. No problem. Okay. So triple two and, Sudhir and course name is Python and fee is something like this one. Printing your values one by one, sir. Understand?
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
are you there? Need your response?
Yeah.
Sudhir, suppose sir, I want to know type of roll number, sir. What I will do, sir? Simply here you can come and use, print function. If it is required, if you want to know type, then use a type of roll number. Like this, you can apply. Are you understand?
Yeah.
You can
Yes.
define
Yes.
the type function, sir. Right? And what happened? This one you can use. This can use along with what happens, sir? Along with after this statement, you can use it. You know more clarity.
So instead of writing print for each value, can we write in a single print everything?
We can write also. I'll tell you. Okay, that format also.
Okay,
I'll
okay.
tell you that format also. Give me some time, right? First, you can understand this one. So, how many ways we can print the our output? I'll explain you. Right?
Yes,
One more bracket here. Okay. Now I'm going to printing my friends. Okay, just a triple three and Murali and Python and here is the feedback. So printing your roll number type is integer and remaining values also printed one by one. Understand?
Yes, yes.
yes,
So please understand how data is going to reading from keyboard. Okay, from different input values, sir. Please understand this is very, very important. Okay, in our development. Clear my point? Please need your response, each and everyone.
yes,
Thank you, sir. You need to practice yourself, then only will get more clarity. And here given clear diagrammatically also. Now. So I hope you understand what is the type conversion, right?
yes,
Clear up to here. Again, I'm asking, please need your response.
yes, we are clear.
Once it is completed, sir, I'm going with one more topic. That is what operators, sir. What Python operators. From here, slowly we'll start our development. Okay. So operators. Guys, understand what is operator? Simple thing. So operators, okay, operators are symbols. What we call, sir, symbols. Symbols, sir. These are the symbols. What is the purpose of operators? To perform operation between the two operands. Simple. Okay. The use of operators are perform, okay, perform some operation, okay, between the operands. Don't be confused, sir. Operands. Okay, operands. Sir, what is operators? What is the operands here? Okay, operands. Coming to the point. Okay, here. Suppose, guys, understand. Here 20 value I given, plus symbol I given, and 30 value I given. So, in this statement, here 20 comma 30 are operands, sir. What we call operands, and sometimes we can call values also. Always we can call values also. In programmatically, what we call operands. Next, plus is a operator. Are you understand? Sir, plus is a operator. Guys, are you there, everyone?
Yes,
Now, plus
Yes.
what is doing, sir? Plus to performing some operation between the two operand. Again, I am repeating here, plus performing some operation between the two operand. So what will do plus, sir? Simply it can do add the two number. What is the result here? 50 is nothing but our resultant value. Like this, by using these symbols, we can perform so many operations based on our operators. Clear my point? So Python having a 5 types of operators. We'll see one by one programmatically. Right? So slowly we are going to starting how to implement our code, how to improve our logic by using operators, control statements, and variables and input functions, sir. Yes or no?
Yes.
Guys, are you there? Need your
yes,
response.
yes,
Right?
Yes.
So again, I am repeating, sir. Operators are symbols. Use of operators are to perform some operation between the two operands. Suppose, for example, I given plus my own, sir. Okay, we have so many like plus, minus, less than, greater than, and these are the operators. Now I will, okay, evaluate one by one, sir. Suppose here I given no 20 value, then I given plus and 30 value. Finally, what happens, sir? It is a 50 will be printed. Suppose I given 30 value, then minus I given the 5, sir. Then what is the output here? Tell me. Okay, 25 will be printed. Am I right? So these things, okay, like these two values, you can perform some operation. That is what operators, sir, how to do. So small example I'm giving, sir. But directly, so in Python we can use directly also, but before going to use the values, compulsory we need to use the variables. So what I'm doing, sir, suppose n1 is equal to 20 value I given, n2 is equal to I given 30 value, sir. Here n1, n2 is nothing but a variable, and that variable having a two values, mean two operands. Now I am going to perform the multiplication of two number. What happens are just I given the multiplication. Multiplication is nothing but a okay, my user defined variable is equal to what happened? What happens are n1 okay multiply with n2 I given. Finally, I am going to printing my value. What happened? Simply you can print multiplication. Automatically, what happened? Our Python program can perform multiplication operation. Finally, it will give the values to us. Guys, are you understand? Please need your response.
Yes, yes, sir.
Please, your response is very, very important for me. Murli, Rohit, and Sudhir.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Sir, how many types of operators we have in Python? Sir, in Python, basically we have five types of operators. Just I am going to explain you one by one and with clear explanation, sir. So, just okay, operators in Python. Operators. Okay, the first type is arithmetic operators, sir. What is the first one? Arithmetic
Arithmetic.
operators. Suppose, sir, why arithmetic operator? If you want to perform mathematical operation, then go with what? Arithmetic operation. But, sir, from childhood onwards, we know, okay, arithmetic is nothing but a calculation purpose. But my question is what? In development, in application level, where we can use arithmetic operator? Sir, please show me any real world example. Definitely, I will show you, sir. First, I am going with operator symbol. Later, I will tell you. Again, I am repeating. So plus, minus, multiplication is nothing but a calculation purpose. But in real world, in application level, where I am going to using the arithmetic operators, that is required to us. Okay, if I say plus minus what, add two number, subtraction two number, that is common, generally we are doing every day. But my question is what? In real world, sir, show me any real world application with arithmetic operators, right? That is required to yes. Sir, here I am telling one example. Sir, suppose if you went in shopping mall, am I right? There you are going to purchasing your product, right? After purchasing your product, okay, end up the shopping, okay, they are giving generating some bill. Guys, are you there? Hello? They are giving some
Yes.
invoice,
Yes.
right?
Hmm.
They are giving invoice, right? Okay, they are printing invoice because of your arithmetic operators only. So the complete application they designed with arithmetic, pure arithmetic operator. And sir, one thing reality I'm telling you, sir, throughout the world, 90% application are running with arithmetic operators only. Sir, give me some example. Amazon invoice, medical bill invoice, okay, your current bill invoice, your grocery invoice, right? In hotel, sir, even in your what petrol bunk, they are giving some small print. Behind the print, behind the print, sir, the code is purely implemented with arithmetic operators only. Got to my point, sir?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sudhir, Murali, and Prasad. Are you agree this point, sir?
Yes,
Yeah, I
yes.
agree.
This is the real usage of arithmetic operator. Sir, what are the operators here? Simply, I am giving, sir, here. Okay, plus is nothing but a plus is nothing but a addition. Minus is nothing but subtraction, and it is a multiplication symbol. And next, it is a divisible, and it is a modulo. The next one, floor division. And one more is what's an exponent. I think double star. It is a exponent. Okay, exponent means what? Square values. Square values. So in arithmetic, how many symbols we have? Tell me, sir.
9, 29 plus minus multiplication, division, percentage. 4 only. Yeah, arithmetic, but yeah, percentage.
What is the first one? Plus symbol for addition of two number, right?
Yeah, addition.
Subtraction, multiplication, okay, and floor division. This is a floor division. It is a exponent value. Don't be confused here. I am writing, sir. This is what, sir? Addition. Okay. The next one, tell me. Subtraction. The next one, tell me.
Multiplication,
Multiplication.
Division.
division,
చిన్న పొరగాలి ఇప్పుడు నేను ఓకే division. And next, Nana.
ex modulus,
Okay. It is a modulo.
floor division,
The next one is a floor division.
exponent,
It is a exponent. Exponent. So these are the arithmetic operators. First, arithmetic operators. So will come evaluation also, don't worry. Okay, just the second type is nothing but a, okay, second type is nothing but a relational operators, sir. The second one, relational operators. Relational operators. Just to comparing the two values, sir. So what is less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, double equal to, and not equal to. These are the relational operators, sir. The next one, the next third one is nothing but a logical operator. We'll talk one by one, don't worry. Logical operators, sir. In logical, so actually in other programming language, it is a symbol, sir. Logical and logical or and logical, it is a symbol. But in our Python programming language, okay, AND is a AND, sir. OR is a R, and NOT is nothing but a NOT. These are the, okay, logical operator symbol. Guys, are you there? Need your response? Sir,
Yes.
are you
yes,
understand, please?
Yes.
Okay, AND, OR, not. These are the symbol. But if you go with Java and other programming, it is a symbol, it is an AND operator. Okay, this is nothing but a R, and this is nothing but what we call are not. So these are the symbols in .NET, JavaScript, Java. These are the symbol. But in Python programming language, they given the keywords are and or not, and or not. The next one, sir. The next one is the next type is what? Bitwise operator. Bitwise operator. Bitwise operators. So these are okay, logical and right, logical and okay, this is what logical, okay, logical or logical XR. Where is the symbol, cap symbol, where I can find, so logical XOR, okay, logical XR, right, and a not symbol is a not symbol, sir. Okay, not symbol, and a left shift and right shift. Okay, these are the logical or bitwise operators, sir. So, sir, in what situation we can use bitwise operator? Understand, sir. Actually, bitwise operator when you are going to working with electrical components, electronic components. In that case, we are going to using with what we call our bitwise operator, sir. Bitwise operator. So in programmatic development, we are not going to using the what we call our bitwise operator. So suppose you are going to designing the code for transistors, resistors. At that time, you can go with logical operators, right? The next one, sir. Right, next one is what? Okay, assignment operators. Assignment operators. Okay, assignment operators. Means what, plus is equal to, minus is equal to, multiplication is equal to, divisible is equal to, floor divisible is equal to, okay, exponent is equal to, okay, left shift is equal to, right? Okay, right shift is equal to, okay, logical bitwise and is equal to, okay, like this, and bitwise or is equal to. These are the assignment operators to assign new value and existing variable value. These are the symbols into assignment operators, sir. So how many schemes are played? Tell me, sir. How many scheme, please?
Five. Five. One, two, three, four, five type of
This is
operators.
the five types. Okay. Along with five types, we have a two special types they given, sir, in our Python. Two special types. Okay. One is membership operator. Second one is identity operations, sir. Operators. These are very special new one they given in Python. The first one is membership operators. Membership operators. Very easy. Don't be confused. So in membership, the first operator is what in. First one is in operator. The second one is what? Not in, sir. Not in. So time will become, I will explain you, just you can remember the all types of operators. The membership, how many types we have? Two types, in and not in. The next one is a identity operator, sir. So for memory purpose, identity operators. These are very, very important. Okay, depends on our situation, sir. Then in that is and is not, is not. So these are the special operators they given in our Python programming language, sir. So finally, how many we have? Okay, seven types of operators we have. Yes or no? Guys, are you there or not? Need your response.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What is the first one? First type.
Arithmetic,
Next,
Relational,
relational,
tell me. Next.
logical,
logical,
bitwise,
then assignment.
Okay, and two
membership,
special
and
type.
identity.
Membership and identity
Identity.
operators. Yes or no?
Yes.
Please read two or three times, right? ఒకసారి టూ ఆర్ త్రీ రీడ్ చేయండి అన్న, అదే అందుకే గుర్తుంటాయి. మీరు ఎక్స్పర్ట్ అయితే కాదు కదా. తెలుసు అంటే వదిలేస్తా, నాకేం పర్వాలేదు, ప్లీజ్. బట్ రీడ్. అర్థమెటిక్ ఆపరేటర్, రిలేషనల్ ఆపరేటర్, లాజికల్ ఆపరేటర్, బిట్వైజ్ ఆపరేటర్, అసైన్మెంట్ ఆపరేటర్, మెంబర్షిప్ అండ్ ఐడెంటిటీ ఆపరేటర్స్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? These are the operators in our Python programming language. Now, sir, I am going to focusing on first one, sir, arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. So please understand. Here I am giving the definition, sir. Okay, simple thing. Use of. Sir, give me 1 minute.
Your voice is not audible.
Coming, Sudhir, please.
Okay, okay.
Okay, guys, come to the point, please. Okay, so I'm coming from arithmetic operators. What is the first symbol here? Place. I'm right. Are you there? Need your response.
Yeah, addition. Yeah.
So what
Yes,
I am doing?
addition.
So okay, in N1 I given 10 value. In N2 I given 5 values, sir. So here this is my operator. This is my operator, and I'm going to showing the evaluation. So just you can store two value in two variables. Now in your statement we are writing like this: N1 plus N2. Here N1 is nothing but a 10 value. N2 is nothing but a 5. Finally, it can print the 15. And minus or N1 minus N2, then 5 value. So multiplication 50 will be printed. And next one, sir, understand. Okay, this is what divisibility. And this is very, very important, my friends. Okay, N1 divisible by N2. Okay, once you write this one, okay, 10 divisible by, just I given the 5. 5. So guys, understand. So what happened here, 5 value divisible with 10. So guys, and 5, how many times will be go, sir? Tell me. 5 2 time is 10. Am I right? So
Yes.
when you do divisibility, our output is coefficient. Understand? Sir, this is very, very important. Focus on it. When you do the divisibility, our answer is coefficient. Suppose the next symbol, I'm talking about the modulo. If you do the modulo, okay, our output is a remainder, my friends. Remember this point. Okay, again I'm repeating. So when you do divisibility, our answer is what? This one, coefficient. Now I'm talking about the modulo. Modulo. Then what's our N1 modulo? Just N2 I am going to using. Then 10, okay, modulo 5. Then what I am doing, sir? Now we'll go the zero symbol. Zero symbol, sir. Remember. And I'm talking about floor division. And what happened? N1 floor division, N2 you can use. N2 you can use. Then what happens, sir? 10 floor division, 5 I given. Then what happens, sir? This time, suppose, imagine my N1 value is 10. And imagine, sir, my N2 value is 3. Now tell me, sir. Okay, 10, how many times will go with 3, sir? Tell me. 3 times, right? Guys, are you there?
Yes,
1.
yes.
So
Yes.
again, I am giving the point value, sir. Again, I given it will become 10. So again, 3 times. It means 3.3, 3.3. So if you go with full division, sir, okay, instead of 3.333, it can print the 3 value only. So it can print the base value. Base value. Suppose if you go with, a divisibility, it can print a 3.33 value. Understand the difference between module and floor division, right? Then what happens, sir? 3 only it can be printed. Means, but in this case, it can print, what happens, sir? Exactly 2 will be printed. Exactly, base value. The next ones are exponent. Okay, exponent. Exponent. What happened? N1 exponent into my friends. Then what happened? 10 exponent 5 value. Means 10 to the power of 5. Means 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into, sorry, 10, sir. 5 times. So I think, what is the value, sir? So what will 10th, what? This value, am I right? After 1, you can give the 5 zeros. So like this, it can be printed. Guys, are you there? Need a response?
Yes.
Ah.
Yes.
Yes.
So now I am talking about real world example. Real world example with arithmetic. Okay, with arithmetic operators, sir. So I am going to explaining you one real world example with arithmetic operation. Okay, please understand in reality. Sir, coming to the point. Okay, here. So this is the application, sir. Okay, control A, I'm deleting, no issue. Guys, understand? Okay, in Amazon website, now I am going to purchasing one product, sir. So when I am going to purchasing the product, by default, cart value is equal to 0. Am I right?
Yes.
By default, cart value is equal to 0. Sir, once I open my Amazon website, okay, I am going to add it one product. So something, okay, product, okay, is equal to, I added one product, sir. Product. Okay, just add one product, sir. Once I added, okay, product is equal to 1. Once I add the product 1, what happened? Okay, cart value, cart is equal to cart plus, just I given
Product.
the product. Guys, observe one thing here. Which symbol is evaluated?
Addition.
Addition. Right. Then, sir, every product having a price, am I right? Okay.
Yes.
Then I am giving the, suppose total amount I am going to calculate it. Total is equal to, how to calculate? Its price. So imagine the price is nothing but a 4,500 rupees. Imagine, sir. This is the price. Are how many product you are going to purchasing? Multiplication cart value. Am I right?
Hmm.
Then in this situation, what symbol is evaluated, sir?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. The next one, sir. Are on total, every company provides some discount also. Am I right?
Yes.
Discount. Discount, how to calculate certain, sir? Tell me. Total. Total. I am giving, 15% discount, sir. 15% discount. Okay, this is what our discount amount, sir. Our discount amount. Then do, okay, divisible by 100 value. Total into multiplication value. Discount is equal to total into multiplication. So in this statement, sir, here what happened? Multiplication symbol and divisible symbol. Am I right?
Yes.
After discount, we are going to paying the invoice bill. Invoice bill, payment bill, sir. Invoice bill. What we will do in that case? Total minus is equal to, okay, discount you can use. And in this situation, what symbol we are going to evaluating here? Tell me.
Percentage.
Not percent, minus value, right?
Sorry,
Subtract.
subtraction.
Finally, okay, finally, along with your product, we are getting one printout, right? One white paper. They are giving an invoice bill, right? Behind the invoice bill, they given this code, my friends. Are you understand?
Hmm.
Mm.
Then I am going to printing, sir. Print. What happens, sir? Cart. Now you can print. What happens, sir? Total value, total. Then print your discount, and print your invoice bill also. Sir, you can see today, okay, when you are going to purchasing any grocery, the bill also looks like, sir. And we can do different format also in proper printed format in upcoming session. Don't worry, first understand how we are going to using the arithmetic operator. Are you understand?
Yes.
This is the real usage of our what we call, sir, arithmetic operators. So what I am telling, sir, most of the invoice bills, okay, they are going to printing with which operator, sir? Arithmetic operators only. I hope you understand. Yes or no?
Yes.
This is
Yes.
the real usage, my friends. Real usage. Okay, sir, everyone knows arithmetic operators are calculation purpose. But programmatically where we are going to using, that is required to us. Am I right?
Yeah.
Sir,
Yes.
are you understand what I am going to explaining you?
Yes, it is.
Right. So this is the story about our today's session, sir. Now, along with this, I am giving small assignment for you all, and please send me in your group. Give me 1 minute. I am going to show you what I will do. And here, don't think about operators. I'll send you this practice book also. um, Java practice book. Yes. Sir, my request is what? Please understand. Okay, this is the arithmetic operators. Okay, practice bits. Okay, don't think about int. Sir, Sudhir, Murali, and Prasad. Sir, limited the int. Are you understand?
Yeah.
Don't think about the link, sir. Int and semicolon. Okay, and this all application once do and evaluate, sir. Suppose a is equal to 20i given. Again, a is equal to 30i given. A is equal to 40 given. A is equal to 50. Print a. Okay, and do like this and print your output. What will become? Again, a is equal to 5. In next level, a is equal to a plus 1 I given. A is equal to a plus 2 I given. Finally, what is the print a value? And what will become this output? Like this, you can print all the output and send me in your chat box. Our group, sir. Are you understand? Where is our
Yes.
sir? Please listen carefully. Where is the ఎక్కడన్నా మన గ్రూప్ ఉంది కదా గ్రూప్
Yeah.
గివ్ మీ 1 minute say hi please right coming. So this is my today assignments on operator, sir, please. నా ప్రతి బిట్కి ఆన్సర్ పక్కన కావాలను. Okay, take a rough book and practice each and every bit.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'm sending the notes. And please need this all application for me, sir. Okay, everyone send this assignment into our group. Okay, and do practice, sir. Which one I explain you in Python ideally. Without practice, you can't get in upcoming session. Practice is very, very important for all, right?
Yes, yes.
ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయకపోతే ఏది గుర్తుండదు నాన్న. మీరు ఎంత ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే అంత మంచిగా తయారవుతుంది. క్లియర్గా చెప్తున్నాను. అంటే ప్లీజ్ క్లియర్.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
సో దిస్ ఈస్ అవర్ టుడే సెషన్. హర్ష 6. Okay, I'm sending the notes also. So any queries regarding today's session?
Are they going to send the recording, sir? We paid
Okay,
already.
admin will send you. Okay,
Okay, sir.
recording session is not in my hand.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
admin will be send you. Once make a request to them, they will send you.
Sure, sure. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Thank you.
okay, thank you. Have a nice day.
Yeah, yeah.
Practice. Practice is only weapon to learn programming languages. Tomorrow we'll meet in same time. Thank you. Have a nice day.